of China Lace Wigs. This is a beautiful bob for you guys to try out. But the thing about it is the bob comes in 5 different styles. So they sent me not 1, but 2. So I'm going to be trying out both for you guys. Now when you click the link for this wig in the description bar, you'll see when you go to the page that it starts out with a bob. I think it's a brown girl and she has like a burgundy top. And she has the bob with the bangs. Now if you swipe, you'll see that there is 5 different styles of the same wig. So I'm going to be trying 2 of the 5 styles for you guys. The first one is this beautiful brown wig here. The hair in my head is jet black for reference. So it's a nice pretty brown color. We're going to see what she looks like. She has the parting in the inside, 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. As always, this wig is machine weft and it has some nice parting space for you. And also, I missed the little card inside with the first one. The first one is style number 2 and this one is 14 inches. Let's adjust the straps, cut off the excess lace and get right into it. Now, so this is style number 2. I went ahead and went with what made sense for this hair. It is again a 14-inch bob. So I did kind of straighten it out at the ends a little bit. It was like a little bit bumped. But you guys know a lot of times when you buy wigs that are curled or bumped, especially bobs, sometimes by the time you get it in the mail, the bump turns kind of like into an awkward crimp, which was the case in this. So I went ahead and just kind of straightened it out and kind of bumped it a little bit. And I like the way that happened. I did a little bit of baby hair around here. I feel like the baby hair was not necessarily appropriate for this look, but I didn't realize until after. So I've got to work on basically learning how to do styles and not feeling like I always have to do baby hair, but still wanting the hairline to look natural. So that's something that I'm going to start working on, not always using the baby hair or making baby hair, but instead learning how to sometimes switch it up and make the hairline look natural without the baby hair. So to kind of have a little bit of a feather going, I just went ahead and rebumped it. I think I kind of messed it up a little bit, but you guys get the drift from that. It's definitely missing an elastic band. I even have like some baby hair here that I kind of trimmed down, and you can kind of see the flap right there because I need that elastic band to pull it tight. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I mean, if I add the elastic band, you guys know it's going to just lay super flat on my hairline and be super popping. Okay, so this one is style number 4, 14 inches, and it looks like it's a natural chocolate brown color as well. Really nice, pretty waves. You'd be able to do like a wet and wavy look, or you can use your wand curler to kind of play up the curls. Same situation in the inside, 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, machine wefted cap, and then a nice amount of parting space. Also some pre-made baby hair, if you can see that. So I'm not gonna hold you guys back. Let's jump right into it. So this is wig style number 4. It's like a nice wavy bob. Is it asymmetrical? I feel like it's cut perfectly across, but because the way it lays, it kind of gives you a little bit of asymmetric. Maybe it's, yeah, it's like if it was straight on the mannequin head. Yeah, it's a little asymmetric because it sits and this comes, the longest part is basically in the front. I think it's a super pretty bob. I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse, or a little bit more mousse while I top. I really didn't want to manipulate the natural texture of this hair. I really like it as is, but I just kind of feel like you add just a little bit of product, just enough so that it'll take the product and kind of get that sleek, more clean and finished look, and then dry back up just a little bit more polished. Parting goes back 4 inches, but it only goes 4 inches from like here to here, and then this part is kind of like shorter, like maybe 2 or 3 inches. So I like my parting to be super long and kind of maximize the amount of space. I just like the way that looks the most. So if I wanted to do the side part with the flip over, I would kind of shift the wig to the side. Oh, I put the glue. When you use that, got to be glue gel. It kind of bonds your hair down, so I can't twist it to show you guys. But all you basically would do if it wasn't bonded down was to twist it to the side, and you kind of have that flip over effect, but you still get the long amount of the parting. Again, the texture is a beautiful, nice, wavy. Length is a 1400. What am I talking about? Length is 14 inches. I love how much bounce and wave the hair has. Super pretty and beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment below and let me know which of the wigs that you liked the most. I think you guys already know that I'm going to say I liked the wavy more, only because I am more of a wavy, body wave kind of girl. The straight one was really nice too, and it was full of body, which made it very easy to work with and do the cute little feather and all of that. I'm just, again, a wavy kind of girl, so that's just kind of like me more naturally in my element, but I definitely would rock both. I cannot believe it's already February and time to get into more and more videos. So I will be having a giveaway coming up next week. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you check out ChinaLaceWigs. I have the wig linked down below, as long as the description on both of the wigs that I showed you guys. Remember that this is 2 different wigs, but it's one link. So when you scroll through and then you're selecting like your options, you're gonna select 180% density, 14 inches, and then either style number 2 or style number 4, which I showed you which each one of them are like. Or if you like some of the other ones, I have one that has like a front bang, a little one that's a little bit more asymmetrical. There's 5 different styles in all. So make sure you pick the ones that you like the most. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.